Hi folks, I do a lot of videos on making money through affiliate marketing, and today's video is going to focus on email marketing. Now, whether you're an affiliate or perhaps you're selling your own product, email marketing can be a great way to make money for your online business, and I want to show you my personal approach to it, which basically comes down to 3 steps. Real quick, before I do that, I just want to show you what I do with these normal videos, which is I show my income stats for affiliate marketing just so you see that I know what I'm doing. And I do affiliate marketing through blogging, YouTube, pay-per-click, email marketing. So I have a lot of experience in a wide range of marketing topics in the online world. And when it comes to email marketing, the concept is actually rather simple to understand in theory, but it's a lot harder to pull off. Theory is that you basically create a squeeze page, which is where people can sign up for your email list. You get people to that email list, they sign up, and then you promote stuff to them when they're signed up. You've probably been on someone's list of an internet marketer, or perhaps you've been to certain sites like on Amazon or other places, and they inform you about new products through email. That's basically a form of email marketing. And in the online marketing world, the usual formula that they teach you regarding email marketing is the one that I'm about to show you, which is right over here. So let's imagine that you have a website and you get 10,000 visitors to the site. And you're basically using paid ads to get those 10,000 visitors. So you spend $1,000 on the 10,000 visitors, which is traffic. And then out of the 10,000 people that come to your site, 1,000 people sign up to the email list. So you're getting a 10% sign up rate. And then to that email list, you promote one product and get paid $20 for each sale. This is through affiliate marketing. And then for these 1,000 people that signed up, you made 100 sales, which is a 10% conversion rate. And overall, you basically make $2,000 in revenue because it's 100 times 20, and that means you get $2,000 in revenue. But because you spent $1,000 on the traffic, you have to subtract that from the $2,000, so your profit is $1,000. Now, that's the easiest way to understand email marketing in practice. And the problem with that formula that I just showed you is that it's often misused and taught by a lot of scammy gurus. What they'll do is they'll give you this exact same kind of thing, and then they'll say, buy my $5,000 info product, where they basically have you buy paid ads and stuff like that, so you end up actually losing a lot of money. This particular formula that I just showed you right here takes a lot of practice to get this right. But there is a specific way that you can do it in a less risky way, which can entail doing email marketing correctly, and it comes down to these 3 steps. The first step is you want to target a specific niche group. The second step is you want to drive that niche group to your squeeze page, to your landing page where you collect their emails. And the third step is you want to market to them in a correct way where you promote something. So let me give you a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Let's say that I target the niche which is people trying to get back with their ex-girlfriend, for example. That's a niche where people are hungry for information. They want to get those results quickly. So I can create a squeeze page that says something like, here are the 5 steps to get your ex-girlfriend back. Enter your email and get these 5 steps right now. That's a great way to get people to sign up because they're desperate to know the solution to the problem. And then the third step is once they sign up, I will send them these 5 steps, and one of those steps is going to be an affiliate product that I'm promoting, which could be some kind of, get back with your ex ebook or something like that. Now, that sounds simple, but it's often not taught the way that other people are teaching it. The most important thing to understand about list building and making it successful is the niche market. If you can find a niche market that's very desperate for a solution, like the one that I just gave you with the subject of getting back your ex-girlfriend, you can be very successful in email marketing. It's the first step that really determines if you're going to be successful. So if you want to know more niche examples that are like this or more steps to involve to how to make this work, there's a link below this video which is basically going to take you to this article that I wrote on the very same subject. And the content is free. You can check it out. I'll give you even more niche markets where people are really, really in need of information, which you can leverage to make good money from using list building and email marketing in general. If this video has been helpful to you, let me know in the comments section below, as well as if you have any questions. I also teach people affiliate marketing, and you can find more info about that in the link below the video in the description. So thanks again for watching, and have a great one.